Kia ora koutou. This is the second video about ngā kupu takitahi. In this video, we'll be looking at a few different ways to use the kupu care in a bit more detail than the last video. I'll be giving you some examples of how we can use it in a few different sentence structures. In the first video about the kupu care, I showed you these examples to mean already, instead, actually, and different. In this video, I'll be showing you how these work when we use the kupu care to mean already and instead with Rerekaimahi, Rerehāngū, and Reremahi āhua. If you haven't seen them already, you can find videos about all of these sentence structures in playlist number 7. I want to start with the Rerekaimahi sentence structure using nāku to say I did the thing. In a Rerekaimahi, we would say, for example, nāku ngā kai tunu. I cooked the food. It was me that cooked the food. The kupu care in this example follows the tūkapi, so let's pop that in there now. I already cooked the food. Obviously, this only works with the past tense pronouns because we're talking about something that's already happened in the past. Here's another example using this structure. Nā te tūmuake ke te hui I whakatūwhera. The principal already opened the meeting. Next up, saying already using care with a reremahi āhua, or a stative sentence. In this sentence, I've used the stative verb oti. I've placed the kupu care straight after the word that it's modified, which is the tūmahi āhua. Kua oti ke te aromatawai I ngā ākonga. The students have already finished the assessment. The next example is using a Rerehāngū. Before I show you the Rerehāngū, I'll pop in a standard Reremahi first, using the tūmahi hanga to build. Kua hanga ngā tāne I te whare. And the translation, the men have built the house. Next, I'm going to add in the Kupu Takitahi, ke, which goes straight after the tūmahi. And now we have the sentence, the men have already built the house. Now let's change that into a Rerehāngū. Adding the tūmahi hāngū first, hangaia, taking out the pūhono I, and then bringing the object of the sentence forward. Lastly, shifting the kaimahi to the end and adding e. And now we have our Rerehāngū. Kua hangaia te whare e ngā tāne. The last thing to do is to locate our kupu care. Before we do that, I need to explain the rule that when we use care in a Rerehāngū, the kupu care also takes a hāngū ending, and usually it's tia. So there it is. Now we can add it to our sentence in its rightful place, straight after the tūmahi hāngū. Kua hangaia kētia te whare e ngā tāne. The next few examples are using care to mean instead, starting with the Rerekaimahi. Here's our first example, using the negative imperative kaua e, and the tūkapi māku to say I will. Kaua koe e whakapai te whare, māku e mahi ke. Don't you clean the house, I'll do it instead. The next example is using a Reremahi āhua. Stative sentence. The stative verb in this Reremahi āhua is hinga, to be defeated or beaten. Kaore rātou I toa, engari I hinga ke rātou I tētahi atu rōpū. They didn't win, but rather they were instead defeated by another group. The last example is with a Rerehāngū. Let's use a tohu whakahāngū for this one. Kaua koe e amu mo te take, Wānangahia kētia. Don't complain about the issue. Discuss it instead. The other uses of care work in exactly the same way. I'll just finish off by giving you some example sentences using care to mean actually and differently. The main rule to remember is that the kupu care usually follows the word that it modifies. Here's the first example, using Rerekaimahi. Māku e whakamahi kē ngā kupu. I will use the words differently. Next up, Reremahi āhua. Kua wareware kē te kupu I au. I actually forgot the word. And the last one, Rerehāngū. Whakamahia kētia ngā kupu. Use the words differently. One last thing. Another word for different that relates to this is rereke, but I think I'll save that for another video. So that's all for now about the kupu care. Who knew that such a tiny word could be used in so many different ways? And I'm sure I've really just only scratched the surface on this one. If you're still watching, ka nui te mihi ki a koe. Stay tuned for the next video about ngā kupu takitahi. Nei rā te mihi ki a koutou katoa. Hei kona.